Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen timeout on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then here select screen timeout. Click on screen timeout and it is defaultly set to 30 seconds. So what it means, after 30 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will be timed out. If you would like to increase screen timeout, choose 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes, up to 10 minutes you can choose. So you can keep your phone 10 minutes free from any task. Okay, you can keep your phone active even up to 10 minutes. Okay, if you would like to decrease screen timeout, then you go to choose first option 15 seconds. So what will happen after 15 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will be timed out. Now see the demo. I am doing nothing on my screen. After 15 seconds, yes, it has been reached and phone screen is dimmed and it has been timed out. So in this way you can easily set desired screen timeout as per your wish in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. If you would like to keep in the default screen timeout, you go to keep in the second option 30 seconds, so that 30 seconds screen timeout will be followed by your phone. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.